Today, we're talking about a topic that's on a lot of people's minds, getting a little bit of help between paychecks. Specifically, we're looking at the pay advance service, Beforepay. You might have seen the ads or heard people talking about it, but the big question is, what do I need to qualify? Beforepay is a popular service in Australia that gives you access to a portion of your wages before your official payday. It's designed for those moments when an unexpected expense pops up and you need a quick fix. But it's not a free-for-all. There are some specific requirements you need to meet. First and foremost, you need to be earning at least $300 a week after tax. That's a key starting point. They're looking for a consistent income stream. And speaking of consistency, your pay needs to be regular. Think weekly, fortnightly, or monthly. They need to see that your salary is deposited directly into your bank account by your employer. This means they can't accept cash deposits or other irregular payments. Another big one, you need to be a full-time, part-time, casual, or contractor, or an on-demand worker for a company like Uber or Menulog. This service isn't for self-employed individuals or business owners. It's also important to note that if you receive government benefits like Centrelink, they can't make up more than 50% of your total income. Finally, while Beforepay doesn't perform a traditional credit check, they do have a risk assessment. This is where they analyze your income, your debt, and your spending habits to make sure that a pay advance is a responsible option for you. They need to ensure you can afford to pay it back on your next payday. So, you need to be earning at least $300 a week, have a regular pay cycle with direct deposits from your employer, and be an eligible type of employee. If you meet these criteria, you're on the right track to seeing what you qualify for with Beforepay.